Hi besties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhumika and today's vlog is going to be my moving out series episode 1. Video is all about my life update. I'm moving out and I will be bringing such more episodes, so stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because it means a lot to me and it makes me productive too. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram. So now let's start this video. Finally, I'm moving out of my city. I'm not gonna tell you in which city I live right now, but I live in Odisha and I am going to the city of dreams. Of course, Bombay. I would call it Bombay rather than Mumbai because I'm obsessed with my initial letters. So as you know, I had appeared CUET exam to get admission into DU, but there is a twist. Universe have some other plans for me. I'm moving out to my city of dreams and it is the city of dreams for everyone, Mumbai. I'll let you know how all this happened, but I'm just gonna let you know that I am super excited for moving out series and my birthday series. I'm very excited for all that and I think I'm nervous at the same time. So as you all know that I missed my CUET retest exam of accounts and that's where everything changed. So what happened was that night only my papa's best friend, when I'm telling best friend, they are childhood friends and college friends too. He is our family friend. So he came that night and then they were discussing something about colleges and turns out papa's best friend tell to him that his daughter is also studying in Mumbai's Mithibai college. So papa was like, yeah, I should also send my daughter to Mumbai because we have very close relatives over there. It will be very helpful for me also. And dad told me clearly that Delhi वगैरह नहीं जाना because there is no relative over there and nobody is there to take care of me if I ever need. So I was like, yeah, okay. I was super happy. मेरे मन में लड्डू फूट रहे थे कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे कैसे मिल गया. लाइक मैं मुंबई जा रही हूँ एंड आई वाज लाइक, oh my god, how did I grab this opportunity? Or it was destiny for me or it was planned for me. I don't know. I was like shocked. I was like literally very shocked. मेरे मन में लड्डू फूट रहे थे और मैं shocked भी थी. So there was mixed feeling when Papa told me that you are not going to Delhi and I'm applying for Mumbai college. And I was like, yeah, okay, this was my childhood dream to just stay in Mumbai. So I got selected in that college. Now we are moving for admission process and then we will come back and then I'll pack all my things and then again I'm going to shift there. So that's gonna happen. I'm not gonna reveal my college name right now, but it's a very reputed and very nice college, I must say, and I'm very grateful that I grabbed this opportunity and I think it was destined for me. So yeah. And by the way, my college starts from 1st of July, which is my birthday month, of course. So there will be lots of new experience this year and this birthday will be very special birthday for me because I will be celebrating my birthday in Bombay. So yeah. And also अभी तक CUET का score भी शायद से आया नहीं है. So I'm definitely gonna check whenever it comes and I'll let you know guys. I never dreamed of moving out to Mumbai this early. Of course, in my Delulu world, I thought gazillions of time that I will live in Mumbai someday or the other. But this will happen very soon. I was not even expecting. But it happened so. Firstly, I was very heartbroken when I missed my CUET ka retest of accountancy. I was like, God, why me? Why are you doing all these things to me? God was like, just wait, I'm planning more better things for you. I think if something does not goes with your plan, it's God's plan. So now I have more trust and faith in God. And also we are going through flight. Honestly, I've never been to flight and this will be very first experience and exciting experience. I think slowly my bond with God is being repaired. I think this birthday is going to be my best birthday ever because I will be in Bombay. So what's better than this? But of course, I will be not celebrating with my family. But now I'm a big girl, so I need to make big decisions related to my career and I have to sacrifice all this. I'm not complaining about it, but I'm ready to just face all of this. Yeah. And also I will not feel that I'm away from my family because you guys are my family and I will take you guys everywhere. So yeah. I am very excited to shoot first day of college, so stay tuned. Thank you besties for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it. Subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram. Meet you super soon in my next one. Bye.